And if you were brought up with a lot of fear, a lot of being on edge, having to expect that the humans around you are going to treat you badly and that nothing good is ever going to happen, when someone starts to improve their lives, maybe it's through listening to this conversation or seeing a therapist or starting to eat better. The moment they start to feel a rewiring, a change in that behavior, if you will, there's a part of them, again, if they don't understand how our system works, that will kick them back to the old pattern because it's more familiar. And so when we start to pave a new way, like literally through the forest, if you think about that, it's like really gnarly. Like there's no path. It's much easier to go back to the path that is like fully graveled, paved, stop signs, stoplights. We know where everything is. It's easy. You can do that with your eyes closed. But you're going down this new path that's so foreign, it actually might feel weird and scary when you're being better to yourself because it's so unknown. Think about that. If you were raised for 18 years of your life in that kind of soup, and now you're in this great relationship and you've got money and you like what you do, like that's like 180 degrees. It's like you're in the upside down, right? And so it's like, this is actually good, but everything in my cellular physiology is saying this is bad, but it's good.
Yeah.
And so then the person will, pick a fight with the partner that they know totally loves them and doesn't mind them freaking out over the glass breaking on the floor. Or a person will be doing really well in their career and then they do something to not finish the project because I don't deserve goodness because I always fail. Think how many kiddos were reprimanded and punished when they didn't do well. If you were in that boat of having that exposure to that toxic shame, you will throw yourself back into that and not even know why. It all comes back to our early years and what we were told we were able to have and deserve. And to see people break out of that is super cool.
If you're interested in seeing the full interview and 29 others like it, you might want to check out the Holistic Psychotherapy Summit. This is a free online conference featuring interviews with 30 of the world's leading clinical psychologists, psychotherapists, and mental health practitioners who will be sharing their best practices for mind, brain, body, and spiritual approaches to healing. Tickets are free for a limited time, so if you're interested, please go to www.holisticspsychotherapysummit.com or click the link in the description below.